Hi, my name is Josie and I'm the Manager of Customer Success here at Edcite. In this video, I'm going to talk about our Manage page. The Manage page is used once you've assigned an assignment to classes or students. To find the Manage page, I'm on the home page. I'm going to find the assignment that I'm looking for, which is right here. I'm going to click on the three dots to open up this menu. I'm going to click on Manage, and this little pop-up window will open. These are all of the classes I have sent this assignment to. These are all of the class codes that are associated with these classes. If I want to unassign and assign this assignment, I would click this Unassign button. Say one of my students didn't show up for class and I need to unassign the assignment from them. I'm going to click on one of these arrows. I can see all of my students here, and I could click the Unassign button to unassign the assignment from that student. If I want to reassign the assignment to that student, all I would need to do is click the Assign button. You can see also that I'm looking at the By Classes tab. You can also look at it by student, by groups, or you can use a quick link to give to your students to access the assignment. If you are using the quick link, we would encourage that your students still sign into their Edcite accounts. From this page, you can also get to your live progress report, you can get to your grade report, you can get to your summary report, and if you need to assign to more classes, you would click on the three dots and click on Assign to More. If you have any questions about this or anything else on Edcite, please feel free to click the Help or Feedback buttons located at the bottom of your screen.